Missed the show? Okay. Here's everything. Say hello to our newest foldable member, Galaxy Z Fold 8. Because one size doesn't fit all. Scroll, watch, read, rotate it, do it again. Whatever's got your attention, Galaxy Z Fold 8 makes room for it. And it's the world's lightest fold. Wild. The camera experience is iconic. You get 50 megapixels in the wide and ultra-wide camera. Whoa, cool edit. Wait, no, that was all automatic. It's called My Fan Cam. Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. Yeah, it's Ultra now. It's the thinnest Galaxy Fold ever. The display's ultra smooth and ultra tough with Flex titanium inside. Oh, and it's powered by our largest battery ever. You get 27 hours of non-stop video playback. The camera's got 200 megapixels. Back up. Still sharp. The ultra-wide has 50. Now Nudge has your back here, here, and now here. Now to the flip side. Okay, can we talk about that pink for a second? It's our thinnest and lightest flip. The flex window's where all the fun's at. And One UI 9 makes you feel at home on the cover screen. Scroll, make plans, send a reply. Need a reminder? Good news! You're already looking at it. Selfies get 50 megapixels. Smile! And now videos in camcorder are now super steady. Watches. Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. This thing's built different with Snapdragon Wear Elite.
It can dive.
Guide your trail. With the longest ever 60 hours of battery life. Just keep going. No, really, keep going. Galaxy Watch 9. It's changing the game for everyday health. From your heart health to your vitals. It's the ultimate companion for proactive care. We introduced our first intelligent eyewear. Built with Google, designed with 2 really cool studios. AI's just got a whole lot more wearable and stylish. That's Galaxy Unpacked. Foldables, watches, and intelligent eyewear. That's a wrap. See ya.